Want to start shopping online on the Old Navy app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Old Navy shopping app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Old Navy app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Old Navy in the search bar. Tap Old Navy when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start shopping on the Old Navy app. That's all it takes to download Old Navy. For more helpful online shopping tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of online shopping tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.